Yeah, so we got a little thirsty, so we're trying to go to Subway real quick, but we have to take these on the roads. There is Subway right there, like 5 minutes away.
Yes.
But cops are our best friends. They love us, you know. So we got 10 bucks, trying to get some drinks, and let's see what happens. Subway is like 5 minutes away from here on the maps. As long as we don't get caught, if we get caught, we'll make an excuse, be like, we were down at the river, you know, we got thirsty, we understand it's illegal. We'll just fucking be nice, you know, if we're nice, as long as we're nice. But dude, my name's in the record like 5 times already. Should go right here. We're actually here. How did we make it, bro?
I have no idea.
Hey, hey, park a little closer. All right. Hey, not that close, because that car has to get out somehow. The car has to get out somehow. All right. All right, let's go. Take your key.
Yep.
All right, let's go. You buy me a drink, right? You got me?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Alright guys, trying to buy a drink real quick. Hi. You got a drink? I'm gonna buy Coke. Is that cool? Alright.
Are you just doing something to drink?
Yeah. I'm gonna go outside. We just bought a fucking drink at Subway on pit bikes. I mean, holy shit, we actually made it. Bro, holy fucking shit. We actually made it. Now, what we're gonna do is chill and drink. Alright guys, so we just got our drinks at Subway. That was actually the dumbest thing we ever did. But no cops so far, so we're gonna head back to the spot. And we got our drinks in our pockets. Alright, let's go. Again? Fuck, he broke down. What?
I have no idea.
Oh, your screw came out again.
What?
Your screw came out.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
Are the worst time? Hey, you got $5 on you?
$5?
Well, how much do you have right now?
Like 4?
You think they have Allen keys like for like $2?
Probably.
Hey, park our bikes and... Bro, we're fucked, dude. Nah, we're fucked. Hey, watch out, Ben. Huh? Go, 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 go. Oh shit, just go, go, go. Right here, right here's good, right here's good. Dude, we're actually done now. It came loose again.
You want to go running and check, or I'll give you money?
Yeah. Hey, stay here, right? If the cops come, start recording.
You?
You.
Okay.
Start your phone, okay? Alright, I'll be back real quick. Put my $4, you say? I'll be back real quick.
Like almost a whole dollar.
Alright. Let's go over here quick.
Hello.
Hi. But do you guys have Allen keys by any chance?
Have what?
Allen keys?
Allen keys. We might in hunting.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
My friend just broke down. We're stuck here.
Oh no.
This sprocket came wrong.
We might have like. Go up to customer service. I think we might have one in the door.
Okay.
I'm just saying you guys have like an Allen key. Tell them Shauna set you up there.
Okay.
Shauna, this gentleman's going to borrow the Allen keys. He'll bring them back in when they're done.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
I'll be right there.
All right, man.
Bro, probably one of the nicest fucking stores in the world. Oh my god, they hooked us up. They hooked us up. Bro, they hooked us up, bro. They gave it for free.
Free?
Yeah, we have to bring it back though, bro. I was like, my friend broke down. We're 30 minutes away from home. They're like, oh shit, I feel really bad for you. Holy shit. Bro. Here's the Allen keys. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much.
Good one.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, fuck, man, we fucked up. That sucks though, man. Went to Subway just to go, get some drink, and then you come back, and then, oh my god, dude, that Sport Co, holy shit, a huge shout out, but wasn't the right size of the keys. And we're done, but this is a good video so far, but not for him, but. We gotta keep going back? Yeah, that's not coming out anymore though. If you wanna come with me, if you can, we can fix it at my house. I got this one thing for bolts.
Alright. Yeah, Loctite.
Yeah, Loctite.
Let's call that little car front there.
Which one?
At the Radiant. I think they're gone by now, Joe.
What car?
The cops.
Oh, they're probably gone. They were just checking. That was like 2 hours ago, dude. Hey, I'll stay behind you.
Let's go.
Yeah, because I can't hear you if you break down. Are we still recording? You're recording. Holy fuck, though.